Thula bandleni. Mfana kagama lo. Welcome to Moza Music, a platform where we design music. We break down our lyrics to get the message behind the song. We give positive feedback, konang bakwarayo. But mostly men, we always encourage people and we have fun. So basically don't toxic style music. What is up, world? Nangijudging fakithawula nje. Eh, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, when I say I have one of the best audiences and viewers, people think I'm joking. So if Mhlanje was a request, it came from TikTok, from Umuntu Kuthiwa Usompisi, if I'm not mistaken. Sompisi Mtho was like, Mfethu, I would love for you to react to Revival Catholic Ministry. I was like, I've never heard of it. Yeah, that's why I love this thing. Every time, when you react to churches and Azaz, and it's crazy. Please don't forget, keep those recommendations coming as well before we get to a lot of things. And I think on Sunday, guys, I'll be dropping another album reaction to the Holiness of God. And then the following week again, I think the following week you'll drop a album, a House of God reaction account. So House of God has also dropped an album. So yeah. So if you haven't subscribed to YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like my videos, the more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. Guys, I am grateful. This month we have grown this channel. This month alone, we have gotten 138 new subscribers because the 300 Nibambe just before this month. And then now we are currently sitting on 343. We are 57 subscribers away from 400. Shout out to you guys. And as long as you guys keep liking what I'm doing, I'm gonna keep doing for you. So without wasting you guys' time, let's just ever enjoy it.
Sanini masihube, Sanini masihube.
So ama-lyrics athi zanini nivuke naluthando lakujala something baba unikele indodana. So to my Indian viewers, they say the song says basically it's about us as people waking up and seeing the love of God and how He give up his how he sacrificed his only begotten son. And apart from that, that has to be one of the smoothest singing I've heard. They sing so smooth, like yo, like man, ingicula kamnandi Nkosi yami. I don't. You know, sometimes it's better to say izinto ngesibindi, yeah, ngesizulu. Hayi Nkosi yami nicula kamnandi. No, listen, nicula kamnandi. The first part yenu udlala like she's having fun. Like she's having fun. Oh my god. Yo. Hey, listen to this. Hey, Kyla Pants. Can't even pick it up. Yo, my heart. Ay, bafethi revival. Bayavuselela. Yes, yes. Yo, yo.
Sanini masihube,
And revival, not the branches. Nah, I'm not talking about where the branches are in South Africa, but where does it come from? That's what I wanna know. Which part of South Africa does the revival come from? Please do let me know, guys, in my comment section, cause yo, no, I have impel. No, they stand with their name for sure. Man, this is sweet. My sister, I love you. Mwah. Kisses to you. I want a revival. Yeah, I have to do more reaction. The first part, none. Now I would listen to this woman, lady, girl, the whole day. Guys, I don't think you guys understand, man. You know, someone said, "Kule video yami yase cross when I was relating to your album. That the music will kill me. Definitely. If people are going to sound like this, like, how does she make? Like, guys, she makes it seem effortlessly, bruh. Yeah, like, you know. Oh my god. Like the uyambona happy Joe. Like we oh Lord. Oh Lord. Guys, I am so sorry. I am so sorry. That voice is beautiful. Oh my god. I am so sorry. Actually, then we move past it. Oh my. Vaya você, lalela. Analibhesi lalebandla ayiproper man. Analibhesi proper. Ay. Mtho out yam. Ay, shout out to you, my boy. Uzengenye boy. Hayi uzengenye mfanami. Hayi uzengenye mntanami. Mntanami uzengenye. Avuseleli. Laba. These ones. Hayi bayavuselela impela. Guys, mina ngizongibulala. Yazi mina ngizoshona early mina. Ngizoshona early ngenxa yenu. I will die. Oh. Ile first part. Yes. And the way bangakhona ne, like the level of understanding ekhona within them. Uyayizwa in their singing ukuthi bayazwana. Kanjani, you ask? The way bass never outsings everyone. Another way alto always. Another way, now how compact is alto also sounds. That should tell you, Guti, they understand each other, man. Revival. And then I'm gonna revival day. It sounds like an old school church. Like cause remember Guti, the newer generation of Kule Zion, in most cases it bass it's consistent. Like one the old way, bass yakula, compact yakula. These days bass throughout. Now the way they sound old school, like old school. That's why I was like revival, like where does it come? Where does it originate from? Let me know in my comment section, guys. Now when I first part. Asivaleni bafethu, asivaleni. Nami ngithanda lami. Guys, listen, Lailani. Yabona igama lesonto will let you know Yona makuthiwa bayavuselela labantu laba. This is what we're talking. When your singing matches your name, that's when you know you are killing it. When you are speaking to people's souls, alright, vuselelani. I mean, that's what revival means. Vuseleling. Catholic. Sonto. Ezayon. You must be out of your mind. You must be out of your mind. You must be out of your mind.
Ukukhanya kwalo, ukukhanya kwalo, ukukhanya kwalo, kubuyisa
that line is power. Ukukhanya kalokhu, ukukhanya. Ngathi ukukhanya kufana nalokho or ukukhanya kalokhu, but one somewhere there. Kodwa ukukhanya kwakhona kubuyisa ithemba kithi. That is so true, bro. That is so true on every aspect. The light is what brings hope to us. That is so true. Uyabona ugesi mawubuye. Nkosi yami ugesi ubuyile sengizokwazi ukupheka. That should tell you. But the revival. Mtho uze ngenye boy. Lalela the way ibhesi Wow. No, that is powerful. Ilanga maliphume endawo la lixosha ubumnyama. Damn. Ukukhanya kwalokhu kuletha kuletha ithemba kuthina abantu. That is a bar. No, that is a bar. Like, guys, come on, man. Come on. Who wrote the song, man? Isn't an old song, and yo, damn, yo. So The song says, Zanini sivuke, nalo uthando lakudala. Wanikela ngendodana, right? And then it also says, ukuphuma kwelanga endaweni yakhe, liqosa ubumnyama. Ukukhanya kuletha ithemba kuthina. Man, do you see why I fight so much? We need more Zion music. Man, damn. Oh my God. Yeah. No, revival is doing its job. Bayavuselela. Mm, 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 mm. Hi guys. I'm to. Uze ngenye boy. Uze ngenye. You brought another one. Arr. Zani sivuke. Nalo uthando lakudala. Babanikeza indodana yakhe. Yodwa. Ukuphuma kwelanga endaweni yakhe. Uxosha ubumnyama. Ukukhanya kwayo kuletha ithemba kuthina abantu. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Oh. Yay. Ay. Ay. I never. Yo. Ukukhanya kwalo kuletha ithemba kuthina abantu. Ukuphuma kwelanga endaweni. Ukuphuma kwelanga endaweni yayo. Yes, yes. By the way, ngithanda nebhumba jacket here and it's beautiful. It's nice. Nice, plain and simple. And it's not too hectic. I like simple stuff, bro. I'm not finding a skipper. That one. Simple stuff. Siswe first part. Yeah. I know she's toying with it. She's having fun. Ula, yazwinka nje ngale voice. Yazi umuntu azwinke ngevoice nje. Azwinke nje. Zwing. Look ehla enyunga nje. But yabona the way i-bass nale outro le bandla le. I'm like, oh my God, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. If bass comes a time where it's gonna be silent, and then they have this thing where they go up and then they all of the sudden they sing low. How was Bonanama Jazz out? Literally. They would shoot up and then low and then just cruise nice. I'm to no siyabonga nkabiyami. It's things like this, guys. That's why I started this whole platform. I understand it's to show other people and expose people to more churches and expose people to more Zion music. Like, hey, not many people have discovered church through this channel, bro. Like, do you know how many people? How many people said, "Oh, wow, I didn't know about this church." Oh, okay. Like, so far, izamcolo, There's another church, something wokuphila. I keep forgetting. Okay. Athi yakhona futhi angathi ishaya ipiyano. Something yokuphila bese kuba i-revival, kuba ne-true worshippers. I understand. Those were new to me. And I wouldn't trade anything for nothing. They've been amazing. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, guys, we are losing out. We are putelo. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, bruh. Make sure to leave that notification bell on so that you'll get notified every time I drop. Guys, I drop every day. If I miss a day, just know maybe I was tired or I did something. But in J, I always make sure that I upload each and single every day. Why wouldn't I upload? Like my videos, and please guys share to other people as well. And yes, do give me recommendation. Recommended. Oh, how gave me this recommendation via TikTok. Text me on TikTok and they're like, bruh, please react to this chat. I was like, cool, I got you. Sila location. Anyway, but in the favorite way to Jupiter. Adios.